All right, welcome back for part 2. So on the next 3 examples, notice that we have a binomial, another binomial, and a monomial, another monomial, and then a binomial. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to multiply these two, the first two monomials first. So negative x times 3x becomes negative 3x squared, and we should have the binomial to multiply by. Okay, so then when we distribute negative 3x squared times 2x, negative 3 times 2 is negative 6, and x squared times x is x to the third, or x cubed. Then negative times negative is positive. 3 times 7 is 21, but this 3 has an x squared, so this is the product of those two 3 terms. Okay, all right, next example. So in this case, we have 3 binomials. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to multiply the first 2 binomials together, and then I'll do the last binomial. Okay, so then x times x, that gives me x squared. X times negative 3, that's negative 3x, but negative 4 times x is negative 4x. So I have negative 3x minus 4x combined to negative 7x. Negative 4 times negative 3, that's positive 12. And now we multiply by the third binomial. So x squared times x, that's x cubed. X squared times 7, that's positive 7x squared. Negative 7 times x, that's negative 7x squared. Negative 7 times 7, that's negative 49x. Last, 12 times x, that's 12x. And then 12 times 7, that's a positive 84. Okay, then simplify. So I'm going to keep the x to the third. And notice these two, negative 7x squared minus 7x squared, they cancel. And then we have negative 49x plus 12x. So 49 minus 12 is 37, so negative 37x. And then the constant, which is 84. So plus 84. So this is the product of those 3 binomials. Okay, last example. So this one here, notice that we have the square. We have a binomial that's being squared. So I'm going to keep the monomial, which is x squared, and I'm going to expand x minus 9 times x minus 9, and then we'll multiply by x squared. So we've done this before in class. I'm going to keep that x squared here. X times x is x squared. X times negative 9, that's 9x. Negative 9x, negative 9 times x, another negative 9x's. So then when you combine them, they combine to negative 18x. Negative 9 times negative 9, that's positive 81. And then distribute the x squared. So x to the second times x to the second, you add the powers, which is x to the fourth. X to the negative x times x to the second times negative 18x, that's negative 18x to the third. And x to the second times 81, that's 81x squared. So this is the product of number 6. Okay, thank you for watching. I'll see you in class. Bye-bye.